Hi, this is going to be a quick run through of how to install the tampermonkey script. I figured showing you would probably be a little bit easier than typing out a walkthrough. I'll type one out anyway, but this might be easier to understand. So we have the script here. You can copy it manually, or you can just click on the raw, Control A, Control C, and then see tampermonkey right here. You need to go install that using either the Chrome Web Store, using greasemonkey. It's greasemonkey on Firefox. Edge, you can use tampermonkey. There's all sorts of things. So you click it, and then click create new script, which you couldn't see there because just the way the screen capture is working. Select your code, paste it. If you know what you're doing, you can read this, make sure there's nothing sketch in there. You should always actually do a read through of user scripts that you install. Then file, save the script here. It automatically names it. It's in the author and everything, which is all contained up in this. And then we open up a new tab, AMD Direct Buy. Boom. We have the add cards showing on everything. You can still see it says out of stock. Whenever things actually are live and available for purchase, that out of stock should go away, except for when it wouldn't have shown you an add to cart anyway. That add to cart does not, like, we're forcing this. So part of the reason that AMD is so hard for people is because add to cart will not show until quite late. The script also works in the product pages, by the way. The add to cart will not show until after it's out of stock for a lot of people. It just depends on how lucky you are on that specific drop. This forces the button, which allows you to start entering checkout even if your computer would have said that it was out of stock.